Hello everyone, welcome to Noor Tube. In today's tutorial video, we are going to look at on how to change your Facebook name. And before we start the tutorial video, I would like to encourage you, to watch this video, okay, on how you can be able to change your Facebook name. Simply click menu and then come down here to setting and privacy. Setting and privacy is right here. Setting and privacy, the first one is help and support. We have setting and privacy and then professional access, so we need setting and privacy. You click that and then you click setting again. Under setting, this is where you're gonna get all the things like personal detail, password and security, add preference, verification and so on. So what you need to do is click personal details like this one, and then from there you're going to see your profile right here, where you can click your profile and then you click it again, and then this is where you can change it. You click name, and then from here you can change it to any name that you want to change it to. So remember, if you put anything, let me simply put Chang and then put Chang and then I put quote. Let me simply say that I have I want to change it to that. So the next thing is ask you about your password, and then you can enter that. So it will give you either a few hour or a few minutes or few seconds, to accept the name that you give to your Facebook. So for me, I'm not going to save that. I will simply go back because I like this name already, which is already there, which is my name. So it's very easy, to change the name. That's how you can change it. So simply go to setting and privacy, look for personal details, and then move on. The next thing, you can figure out how to change your password and security and all that. Okay, under this place, you click your profile, and then it will show you where you can change your password. Let's say your password and security right here, this one, where you can be able to change it to any, any password that you want it to be. So this is how you can be able to change your name and do many things. If you have any question, please try to comment below so that I can get to you and make another new video for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.